If you want to save a Snapchat picture to gallery, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click on your profile icon or Bitmoji at the top left. And from here, go ahead and click the settings here at the top right. Scroll a little bit down till you find memories. Let me try to, yeah, that one. Click on it. And basically what you're gonna do next, we're gonna just go ahead and click the save button right here. And basically, once you upload or save the pictures or videos, you need to make sure that the memories, it will end up in your gallery, right? So as you can see right here, it will be on the standard setting, right? Memories only. And you can just click memories and camera roll. So when you want to save a photo, save a video or a snap to your gallery, you're gonna be able to just save it to memories and camera roll. Another way of doing it, you can just go back right here. Let's have example, you took a snap, right? I can just download the snap right here at the bottom left without the need to actually use any method or any alternative method. Like you can save it at the spot. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.